How to use Claude AI for beginners. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and then in the search bar search for Claude AI and then tap on the official link for Claude AI. Claude AI is an AI chatbot that helps with writing, homework, coding, brainstorming, summaries, and more. So once you have opened the official webpage of Claude AI, go ahead and sign yourself in. And if not, then you can also sign up with your email or Google account. Once signed in, go ahead and tap on the new chat option you see there and start typing in your question or request and then tap on the send button in order to receive the reply. You can simply type in any kind of questions, summaries, homework that you have, and Claude AI will reply to you. You can additionally go ahead and upload files such as PDFs, documents, images, and notes. Claude AI can read them all. So you can simply tap on the attachment or upload button and ask questions about the file. See if that helps. And next way is you have to make sure to use better prompts, as the clearer your prompt is, the better the answer will be. Just in case if you simply type in help me, it is a bad prompt and Claude AI will not be able to help you exactly. So the better prompt for this could be explain and then go ahead and type in your question with examples. See, and then go ahead and you can also use Claude AI for school and learning with your homework help, your study notes, your summaries, your language learning. Claude AI can help you write ACEs, emails, stories, and YouTube scripts too. Claude AI can also help you with coding by learn programming or fix code errors or build simple projects. Also, you can also use Claude AI for productivity in order to do your to-do list or brainstorm ideas or plan schedules. Claude AI additionally lets you organize chats and files for school subjects, content creation, coding projects, and research. Claude AI has free plan and paid premium plans. Free plan allows you access to everything, but paid premium plans with higher limits and better models. And if you are a beginner, make sure to ask specific questions. Make sure to use simple language. Make sure to upload files when needed. And make sure to double check important information. And always make sure to start with short prompts. So these were a few ways on how you can use Claude AI for beginners. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.